Hi, welcome back. Tony here at Winchester Caravans and Motorhomes. Now I've brought you some fantastic offers that are available in store or on the online shop. And I've got another table for you, again from Travellife, and this is the Barletta Table Comfort 100. Now this table normally comes in at $109.99, but it's currently on offer at the shop. So stay with me to the end and I'll tell you how much it is. Now this is more of a substantial table, not one of the lower coffee tables that we've brought to you before. This is one you can sit around with your family, you can have your evening meal. Nice and substantial, very well built as you can imagine. It's adjustable, it's got adjustable legs on it so you can increase or decrease the height of it, and it's very easy to fold away. I'll show you how easy it is to do that. So obviously your table needs to be nice and compact so that you can stow it away. It's easy to move around. Literally pull that away and your legs can be folded away quite simply. Click into the nice little slots here. And there you have your nice compact table that you can pop away in your caravan and motor. So popping the table back up again is nice and simple. Just unclip the leg stays, pull the legs out, pop the stays in place, and I really love the idea of this latch that comes across here so it keeps your legs securely in place. So when the table is up, if the legs get knocked accidentally, the table's not going to collapse on you. So really great idea there from Travellife. Also the adjustable legs on this I think are a really good idea. So if you're sat around it, you don't have a table up here, you can move it up and down to make it nice and comfortable for you. Okay, so I mentioned at the beginning that this table is on offer, and this really is a great deal. You can currently buy one of these at Winchester Caravans and Motorhomes at a reduced price of $79.99. Really is a great deal for a table like this. So if you want one, click on the link below or give the guys a call in store and they'll be more than happy to help you.